Hello, viewer. In this class, we're going to look at a question before us on the board. It says if alpha and beta are the root of the quadratic equations 4s squared minus 3s minus 4 equals 0. It says find the value of alpha squared plus beta squared, comma alpha minus beta and alpha squared minus beta squared. Okay, here we only know that in a quadratic equation of this nation we have this is 4s squared minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Here alpha plus beta is minus b over a. Why alpha beta is equals to c over a. Okay, here a is 4, b is minus 3, and c is equals to minus 4. So here the sum of the root first, alpha plus beta is minus 3 over, okay, it's minus b over a, so minus 3 all over 4. That will give us 3 over 4. Then our alpha beta is c over a, which is minus 4 all over 4. That will give us minus 1. Okay, but the expression given to us here is alpha squared plus beta squared. It has no relationship with what we have on the board. But here we're going to do some transformation on how to obtain alpha squared plus beta squared before we can evaluate. So here we know that this alpha squared plus beta squared, we can also see, we can also express it as, from algebraic form as alpha plus beta all square. And here this simply means alpha plus beta, open bracket, alpha plus beta. Okay, so we'll try and use this algebraic manipulation to establish the formula for this, so that this term can be obtained from here. Here, what if we do that? We are saying alpha times alpha is alpha squared. Then alpha times beta is alpha beta plus alpha beta. Then beta times alpha is also plus alpha beta. Then beta times beta, that will give us beta square. Okay, here we have alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Alpha beta plus alpha beta is 2 alpha beta. So here we know that the left hand side, the transformation here is alpha plus beta all square. Because we are looking for alpha plus beta square, we move plus 2 alpha beta to this way, so that we have alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. From here we can, we'll be able to see alpha plus beta. We're going to obtain alpha beta here, so that we now substitute it to be able to obtain the value of alpha square plus beta square. So our alpha square plus beta square will become, so whenever we see alpha plus beta, we put 3 over 4 from the given equation. This becomes 3 over 4 all square. That is alpha plus beta all square minus 2. We know that alpha beta is minus 1, so we put here minus 1. And if we do this become 9 over 16 plus minus 2 times minus 1 give us 2. And if we do this, this become a fraction, 16, 9 plus 32, and that will give us 41 over 16. So alpha square plus beta square we'll be able to use this transformation to obtain the value. Okay, next, is that we were also asked to find the value of alpha minus beta. But here it is not from our the sum and product of rule. There's no alpha minus, but it is also achievable. So here we say we use this transformation that alpha minus beta all square. Alpha minus beta all square. So from here we obtain the value. By the time we do this expansion, it's going to be alpha minus beta, open bracket, alpha minus beta. So we do this the expansion here, alpha times alpha, that will give us alpha square, alpha times minus beta minus alpha beta, beta times minus beta times alpha will also give us minus alpha beta, minus beta times minus beta, that will give us plus beta square. Okay, here we are seeing alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Recall that alpha square plus beta square is already obtained here. Okay, so we substitute in place of alpha square plus beta square as this alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, here we have minus 2 alpha beta. We put it here minus 2 alpha beta. So here we have a alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. That will eventually give us minus 4 alpha beta. So here we know on the left hand side we said alpha minus beta. That is our transformation, alpha minus beta all square. Here what we are looking for is just alpha minus beta. What we need to do here, we say alpha minus beta, because we are looking for only alpha minus beta. We say take the square root of both sides, so that this raised to power 2 here will be off, and this will becomes the square root of alpha plus beta all square minus 4 alpha beta. So the transformation for alpha minus beta is square root of alpha plus beta all square minus 4 alpha beta. So we come here that alpha minus beta, quickly alpha minus beta will be this alpha plus beta square, alpha plus beta square, alpha plus beta square is 9 over 16 minus 4 bracket alpha beta, and alpha beta is minus 1. It's minus 1. So here our result alpha minus beta becomes this is plus 9. It become, this is a fraction already, this is 16. 16 times 4 so that will give us plus 64. 9 plus 64 that will give us that will give us 73 all over 16. So the square root, if we do that, our alpha minus beta becomes root 73 all over 4. Okay, that is the value of alpha minus beta. And eventually we were also asked to find alpha square minus beta square. So quickly is alpha square minus beta square. Here alpha square minus beta square is simply all about you see this expression is a difference of 2 square. So difference of 2 square, this is the same thing as alpha minus beta then alpha plus beta, or alpha plus beta minus alpha minus beta. So let's just do the expansion of it to see whether what we are saying here they are the same. If they are the same, we go alpha times alpha is alpha square, the alpha times beta is plus alpha beta, minus beta times alpha is minus alpha beta, minus beta times plus beta give us beta square. You see that alpha beta they are off. We see that alpha square minus beta square. So here in place of alpha square minus beta square, we're going to say this is alpha plus beta, open bracket alpha minus beta. Okay, equals to alpha minus beta. Here we did not bother ourselves. We've obtained the value of alpha minus beta to be this, and the value of alpha plus beta is known. So here we can easily substitute. Alpha plus beta is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 times alpha minus beta. So which is times the square root of 73 over 4. So here will be 3 root 73 all over 16. Okay, this is the question, and with the transformation we are able to to obtain the correct value of alpha by algebraic transformation. All right, please, all you need to help me do subscribe, so that once this kind of video pop up and you can see them, the notification on your side. Also click on the notification button. Thanks.